You comprehended all the letters within just 4 days with writing. That's strange, really. Naam, ma hadihi?
هذه لا.
It's a mistake here.
آسف.
Labas, labas. What is the meaning of labas? I told you in reply to Asif. I told you on WhatsApp. Let me write for you over here the letters that will be never mixed, will be never added to the next one. Dal, dal, zal, ra, za, waw, ha, and hamza. These all letters will be never mixed to the, and added to the next one. They will be never added to the next ones. Now tell me, what is this? Ma hadihi?
هذه باء.
Ba. Ma hadihi?
هذه واو.
Wow, Hasan. Ma hadihi?
هذه كاف.
Qaf with heavy sound.
قاف.
Naam, qaf. Ma hadihi?
هذه ها.
Great, as I asked you before a while. Ma hadihi?
هذه نون.
You speak English and Hindi as well or not?
I don't know Hindi.
You don't know Hindi. Okay. So what language do you use instead of English, apart from English?
Malayalam.
Malayalam. Okay. Please say to me, how are you doing in Malayalam?
നീ ഇപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്?
Ni pode engre ontu.
No, it's like നീ ഇപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ട്?
Okay. That will be taking a long time.
നിനക്ക് സുഖമാണോ?
Okay. Okay. We will learn Malayalam as well from you, inshallah. Okay. Mumtaz, you took it from the bottom here, whereas by yesterday's class you took it from middle here. Okay. Now, and it was looking like a lollipop, like this. No, don't start from there. I told you. Okay, leave it to me. You have to start. Leave it to me. You will have to start from here. Okay. Just a minus line. Then you have to curve that like this. Then go to the bottom. Wade? Hasanan. Now, right there. Wow. عندك مشكلة في الشبكة. I think you have some network issue. Okay. That's beautiful. Wow. حسنا. خلاص. So دال ذال را زا سين شين صاد ضاد قاف ضا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون ها. Wow. You have to write first wow then ha. Okay. Wow, ha, then hamza, ya. Now right there. I'm going to tell you and you will have to write there. Then we will know some shapes.
مرحبا.
مرحبا إنوش. كيف حالك؟